we are at this place called Papaya, and that is some sushi, vegetarian sushi. And this is such a interesting place, really. If you were to take a look at it, it's called Modern Asian Bistro Papaya, and this is, yeah. And I have some edamame in my plate, and honestly, everything is slightly on the expensive side, but with this loud music, I doubt if you all can even hear my voice. But okay, so this is something. This is interesting, really. And yes, and we can have sushi. I'll have one sushi. Yes, you can take it that day. Oh, wow, my son knows how to. Probably I could take one. Yes, anyhow, just one sushi. Anviku, you'll put it because for recording sake. And okay, so Ayush, take a bite of it and tell us how it tastes, my son. Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks. The sushi. Yes. Sushi is a cultivated taste, really. But if you were to take a look at it, it's just beautiful. So I'm so glad I'm here. And this is Papaya in Banjara Hills, Film Nagar, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.